Welcome. Welcome to my very first live stream. And I've got 4 subscribers. We're off to a great start, all of which are my friends. And this is going to be a test live stream. But I just test whether my live stream is working or not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I got 0 concurrent viewers as expected because I'm the only one watching my live stream in the YouTube studio right in front of me on my own account. I'm trying to think of a sentence that would make this moment sound really cool and that would make me appear really cool in front of you. But I'm struggling to construct any. I guess because whenever you go to your favorite YouTuber's video, whenever you go to your favorite YouTuber's channel and then you sort by oldest and you go to their very first video / live stream, you go in with an expectation that that stream will be the testament to where they are today, which is them being extremely successful. But more often than not, you find that stream or that video to be really off-putting, really mundane. And I guess there is no sentence or thing that I can do or say that would really make this video seem impressive to the viewers watching this 3 years down the line, 5 years down the line, 7 years down the line, a decade down the line. There's nothing that I can say or do that can impress them. So if you're someone from the future watching this video after 3, 5, 7, 10 years down the line, welcome to my very first video. And I'll be going live often. Hopefully. For now, the point is not to earn or to monetize, but to really use this medium as a medium for accountability, as a medium of art, as a medium of expression, expressing myself, expressing what I do, as opposed to trying to build a career out of it or trying to gain fame out of what I'm doing, which is pretty much nothing at this point of time. I'll just be trying to learn to code, trying to learn data structures and algorithms, trying to practice lead code, and you're gonna see me watch, learn, and fail, trying to learn coding and trying to figure out life in general. I'm just going to be going on live or maybe just upload pre-recorded videos to the channel, and that's pretty much it. That is the goal for now. The goal is just to record my journey of growing up. I'm 20 years old. Um, I'm doing computer science and engineering. I'm in my junior year right now. I'm in my year 3, and I'll be graduating in about a year and month from now. So hopefully with a job, which is also another reason for trying to uh, stream my journey, because when you have eyes on you, you tend to work better. You tend to work as if you are the best. You're in the most optimal version of yourself. You would have seen, it's sort of like the scene from Fight Club where Brad Pitt goes and then points a gun at this gas station shop dude who wants to become a veterinarian but chose not to follow his passion of becoming a veterinarian because he was too afraid to take chances. But when Brad Pitt points the gun to his head and says if he doesn't go and follow his passion, he's gonna shoot him. He's gonna find his house, and then show up and then shoot him point blank. And it's sort of like that moment. It's if you have a camera, if you have an audience looking over your shoulders, even if I don't have concurrent viewers watching my live stream, just having that camera ensures that I don't waste my time watching a random YouTube video or scrolling through Instagram reels. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's exactly why I have decided to start live streaming. And this is going to be my YouTuber arc. And without any further ado, let's test the live stream. So this is going to be the starting screen where I just play a video, and this is going to be the starting screen where I just play a video and then sort of talk over it. I really like the retro feel of old school Windows, the 95, the 98, the XP, even Windows 7. And this is going to be my screen where I just chat and have something on my monitor over here, and then pop that on, and then have that, and then talk whenever I'm like stuck in a problem or just trying to explain things or thinking out loud. I'm just gonna have this screen on. And yeah, what else? So this is going to be my display. This is going to be my display share view where I display overlay which I'm going to use whenever I'm just working on something and I want to enlarge what I'm doing more than my beautiful face. And yeah, I've added Windows 95 overlays like the fake taskbar at the bottom, the fake screen on the fake title bar on top, screen.exe. And this is going to be my place that I'm going to go whenever I'm on a break. I need to remember to go on mute, because otherwise it's going to be pretty embarrassing, because I don't want to part on live stream with my mic turned on, right? We don't want that to happen. We don't want to have awkward stuff happening and then just creating a digital footprint that's going to stay on the internet forever. We don't want that we don't want embarrassing moments to stay on the internet forever. Alright, so that's how things are going to be, and this is how it is going to be whenever somebody subscribes to my channel while I'm live streaming. Hopefully this works. In 3, 2, 1. It's a very Twitch streamed it's very Twitch styled overlay that I've chosen, and this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be when when somebody subscribes, when I'm live. The duration is pretty long. I probably need to reduce the duration. Yeah, it's like 16 seconds. I should remember to reduce it when I get time, because I should remember to reduce it when I have more viewers, because now I've set it up to 16 seconds, but it's probably pretty long because I don't want things to be hidden, whatever I'm just viewing to be hidden while I do this. Second off, so that's the subscribing thing that I want to test. I'm going to test the live chat, whether it's getting displayed over here. This is a test. Message. Hopefully this gets displayed. Interesting. It does get displayed. It's a bit surprising how I made it work. Okay. Hello. I'm just gonna test from another account of mine. Can you see this? Stream 1. I really like the fact that it's adding that golden dot next to my name, indicating that I am the OP of the stream, the original poster of the stream. And for viewers that are not me, it's just, it doesn't have that golden dot. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That is the chat box function. And that's pretty much it, man. So how is it going to pan out from here to the future? Starting tomorrow, fingers crossed, starting from the next live stream, I'm going to work my way over this neat code roadmap. For those of you living under a rock, I mean, forget it. I don't need to explain what this is. This is basically all the different topics, major topics that data structures and algorithms has to offer. And if one needs to get themselves a tech job, they need to really have a good hand at DSA. They need to know it like the back of their palm. So this is what I'm gonna go through. My goal is in the next 7 months. The campus drive is going to start in another couple of months. Not couple of months, maybe in like 6 to 7 months, where the first round of campus drive is going to begin. At least I want to complete at least like 1/3 of all of this, at least till trees. So arrays and hashing, 2-pointers, stack, binary search, sliding window, and then we got linked list, and then we got doubly linked list and all the sort of stuff. And then at least I want to complete till trees. And on this Strivers course 2, I want to complete at least 60% of my way. Sort of till like, at least till like binary search trees or greedy algorithms would suffice. And that's pretty much it. That is what That is what that's what planned for the future, and nothing more. Nothing more is planned for the future. I'm just gonna take it one day at a time. Goal is to really stream at least every other day. So I stream probably like thrice in a week, and just sit here for like 90 minutes and have a really good focus session of me doing lead code problems. That's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're from the future, and if you're from the present, I don't think anybody from the present is watching this live stream, including my friends. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're from the future, hopefully I make it in the future. And yeah, like I said before, I don't really have any goal of whether be it a sub goal, or I have put a sub goal on my title bar of webcam.exe window of 10, but that's just there for namesake. I really don't have a goal, or I'm not so desperate to have a bunch of viewers watching my live stream, or I'm really not desperate to just become popular. I'm in it for the long haul. I'm in it for a half a decade, or 3, 5, 10 years down the line. I'm here for decade, and usually men who think in decades are dangerous, because if you wanna get the low hanging fruits and get short term, if you want to get small wins, you can go fast. But if you want to win really big and become sort of like a champion, you need to think in terms of decades and not really in weeks or months. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in to the live stream. Thank you myself for starting this YouTube channel, and thanks to me, props to me, really sort of pat in the back and claps, because I've finally started this channel, and yeah, I'm really excited, even if it doesn't show on my voice. And yeah, so that's basically 17 minutes of nothing, me just rambling around. Hopefully it works. Hopefully I just maintain the consistency, and I have a good feeling that this is going to be the point that I see 5 years down the line. When I look back, I feel like I really want this moment to be my catalyst of greatness, according to my definition. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in from the future, and hopefully I don't just stop off with this live stream. Hopefully I continue. And goodbye. I'm just gonna end my live stream. Peace.